So I went into coaching and I didn't have to have myself all together. I didn't have myself all together. I kept learning, then I coaching, and I was really only a week ahead of my own clients. But I was a week ahead of my own clients. And I was focusing and I was growing and I was loving it. And I went from someone that was fake smiling and having a world of crumbling to focusing on me and what I didn't understand, but now I look back. And because I grew me and because I lent in and built me and learnt these tools and strategies to help other people. So I look at it like I was this teacup and I was pouring out to everybody else. And because of the pain I was going through, I got to the tea leaves and there wasn't much more for me to give. And then I suddenly learned a way that if I could learn and pour into me, then I could choose to pour out to others. And on the journey, I went in thinking I'm going to help people. But one of the biggest gifts that I got was I learned to love me. And I'm really proud of saying, and I'm on a journey of it, but I love me.
Hey, thank you so much for checking out this video. I trust you got value from it. And I really appreciate and love your absolute commitment to learn and grow. It really suits you. We've got lots more videos like this around here for you to check out. So hope you enjoy those. Please let us know if you like them. That would be great. And you can click below if you'd like to find out about what we do here at the International Coaching Institute. We teach people to be phenomenal human beings, to be all they can be and live their dreams. Hope we get to meet soon.